Like, I like to meet it, not extra long, to make it shorter. Like, okay, now I'm gonna cut that a little bit. Okay, but short to long, guys. So this is, but it's going straight up. You see that? And then look at it where it falls down. It's still. Repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of mastery. You have to repeat, repeat. Do you know what's really cool? It is so cool that you realize auto-suggestion to your brain is because of when you were a kid, things were imprinted in there. So it's good if you had a good childhood and you had good things in the mind. Like, I think of Miss Rachel. She has billions of views on there. Now, I have a granddaughter, a 1.5 old. She watched that thing thousands of times. But guess what? She's learning her ABCs already because she repeats it, repeats it, repeats it, repeats it. And guess what their favorite word is at 1.5? No. Why? Because we repeated it to them. No, don't do this. No, you can't do that. No, you can't have that. No, no. We've all said it so many times. It's our favorite word. It's what she knows how to say. The best, right? So I'm trying to go tell her, yes, 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 yes. Say yes, 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 yes. So auto-suggestion, repetition, repetition, repetition. First of all, you need to be telling yourself, I'm enough. I've always been enough. I'll always be enough. I am a professional hairstylist. I am an incredible 80s hair cutter. I am a layered specialist. Start seeing things that are not as if they were. So that's in God's word. See, call things that are not as if they were. I love that because I remember thinking, all right, like even when Moses had to step out in the Red Sea, he had to step out first before he parted the waters. So sometimes we have to step out first to believe in ourselves. You have to believe in you. If you don't believe in you, why should anybody else believe in you? You are your best friend. So let's be nice to that little inner child and not say mean things to ourselves. I don't say anything mean to myself ever again. I say only nice things. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do that back first. I wanna show you how you do that back. Straight, you're just gonna take that back. Put her head forward a little bit. That first section should be right here. You're just combing down and get it straight, okay? Next section, comb it down, straight. Third one, now this is a nice blunt back. That's it. Now you turn her, or you go around her. Now you can go here. Nice strong ledge. Now let's go to the front. Now she has, a lot of bang with this piece could be annoying and be in her face. So I would say, hey, you could tell though it was on an angle, right? So this is how you find an old haircut. You say, how's your haircut doing? Oh, good, I just need my bangs a little bit, or I want more layers on the top. Okay. So first I'm gonna check this and I'm gonna give that to her. I love this little square right here, triangle right here, to do a little extra and longer. Like, I like to meet it, not extra and longer, to make it shorter. Like, everything else is gonna be longer, but I love to make this one little triangle shorter. And sometimes you could even go in there and just soften it a little bit more. You could take thinning shears too, if it's too thick, which I think hers is too thick. See those thinning shears? I love these. These are nice and fine. You could take that. Yeah, because I like to open up that eye right there. And then this side would come down this way. Okay, look it, right there. I want to come in there. There it goes. Nice. I want to make this more piecey for her around her face. See, it looks nice. So don't fix it if it's not broken. If you just got to trim it, just trim it. But a lot of times for people that don't know how to do this haircut, you have to learn the haircut first. So you could outline the whole face frame in the bottom, and then you do the beach ball haircut. So I'll teach you that right after. Okay, now I'm gonna come up here. See, I'm not going to my fingers. I'm going straight up, straight up. I want that to be straight up. Good. Okay. So that will be very nice. And then, you know, if she wants more off of her face, like here, you could do a little bit more, but if she still wants it on an angle, you don't want to cut it all off. But that will probably go back a little bit better for her, so it's not in her eyeball. I am gonna get the 2 sections in the front out. I am gonna look for section number 1, beach ball pattern, right here going down. Okay, so I want to show you this. Here we go. Nice and short. Now look at where is that gonna fall? Look at, she's gonna have volume on here, volume. That baby is gonna be really strong with volume. It's gonna be high. You know, if I cut my hair that short, that baby would be so full on top for me, which I will do, but not right now. And then the next section. Okay, now I'm gonna cut that a little bit. Okay, but short to long, guys. So this is, but it's going straight up. You see that? And then look at it where it falls down. It's still cascading down, which is nice. Now you go lower, see where that's going. Okay, the other part was up. Now I'm gonna go down a little bit because it's not gonna reach. And I want some layers in the back too. So you're going up. Just do that a little bit more. There. Go around that head where it lives and then come down. Straight out, like a 90-degree angle. Now I'm gonna go to take a piece of section 1. I'm gonna move it over. I'm gonna take it with section 2. I'm gonna bring it straight up, and then get a piece out of there. Take the next piece, almost straight up, pretty much. And now, I'm gonna start going around the head, right there. And then a 90-degree angle at the back because I still want this all nice and layered. And tomorrow, I will blow it all out for you so you can see them and see the fullness on her top and how short it is. Okay, here we go. This is section number 3. Right there. Look, that needs to be done for sure. Okay, so easy peasy. And then you don't have to go to the front if you don't want to section 4 and 5. I can go right to section 2 on the other side. So you're always thinking of the back, a beach ball. Section 1 would be the white line. Section number 2 would be the blue line, and section number 3 would be the red. And then you think of it on the other side. So there's 5 sections in the back. 1 in the mohawk, 2, 3, 2, 3. So go find that beach ball pattern so you know it. Once it's imprinted, let me tell you, girl, you are gonna rock it. You're gonna do so well because if you could get that blueprint in your head and that pattern, you will have speed, consistency. Lots of good things come from repetition, repetition, repetition. Doing the same thing over and over and over again. You get better and better and better. I love what Bruce Lee says. He says, I'm not afraid of the man that does 1,001 different kicks. I'm afraid of the man that does 1,000 kicks one time, like one way, right? Because forget it, you could kill somebody with that one kick because you've mastered it so well. So it's the same thing with these haircuts. And then you're just gonna pull it straight out like a 90-degree angle. Check, 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 look, 90 degree. Okay, now I'm gonna go to section 3. Now you can see from this way. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna come out around the head and then a little bit more right here. 3, right there. Voila, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let me show you her top. Now actually, let's go to section 4. And you know what? I asked my girls, what section am I on? They know right away because they've learned this pattern. Okay, here's number 5. Section number 5, I'm taking it straight up. Gonna take a piece out. Follow the head shape. That's done. Done. Now I'm gonna go to the very front just to see where it's at. Okay, just a little bit right here, a little bit baby pieces, and that's it. It's an excellent, the whole thing is very nice and layered already. See how layered that is? So when you see me blow dry tomorrow, you'll see. Now I'm just gonna check the other side. Okay, it's good. This is section number 4. Need that. Now I'm gonna go to section number 5. Now I wanna check it though here too. So this is important. You wanna see, is this even? It's not, so you gotta make it even. I gotta go back to the whole thing. Oh, no, this is, okay. Bring that up right there. Bring that all up. That little bit right there. But you see, it's all, if I had like a flat piece of paper, it could lay right on that whole top, just like that, because it's all at the same length. Now I'm gonna take the sides, and the sides are going up too. Okay, she's golden. She is good. Okay, here she is, and I will show you her cute, beautiful style tomorrow. I'll blow dry it and I'll make it beautiful. This yourself. Practice, practice, practice is the mother of mastery. Just remember that repetition, repetition, repetition. Practice, guys, and I promise you, you're gonna do great. And I do have a book called The Secrets of a Great Hairstylist. You have to be a therapist and a hairstylist. And people need strong hairstylists. It makes such a difference. When you're strong, the more you lead yourself, the better you're gonna be for other people. And trust me, it makes a big difference. Love you lots. Thank you for your love and your support. And I can't wait to show you the rest. Have a great day. Here's my Charlie's Angels. This would be Jaclyn Smith. That would be Farrah Fawcett maybe, or this might be Farrah Fawcett, and that would be Jaclyn Smith, and that would be the other girl. But she wore her hair flat. I could change that in a second and put it all under and make it like this, the whole entire head. Everything coming this way and everything coming forward. I just blow dry everything back and then forward, back and then forward, if I wanted that look, just so you know. Sabrina, her name was. And look at how cute. These are all cute layers. She's got a full bang. She's got a side bang. And she's got the other side bang a different way. I love this V right here. I love to cut this little triangle and cut this shorter. See how cool? And then this goes down and swoops down. Love that. Yeah. Pretty hair. All right, super cool. So look at this one. I blew this side up and this side I blew under. So there's different ways that you could do it. You could take all this and go under, but it still will have a beautiful shape. This is like, you know, the Farrah Fawcett. This is lots of layers, lots of layers. This is also short to long, and this is medium to long layers. So I want you to see the difference. See how short these are right here? Look at right there. Look at this one right here. It's gonna go right to there. So you're gonna look always when you start a layer, where is it gonna come to, right? See, these are gonna be her side layers coming to the side. Hers are shorter, and those are really short. Just good to check it.